Hey dolls, tonight I'm going to be showing you how to do paper bag curls, and I did most of them because it takes quite a while to do, and I figure that you guys can get the hang of it from watching me do a couple of them. So today what you need is something to moisten your hair. I'm going to be using Aussie Hair Insurance leave-in conditioner, and I will list the products that I use in on the bottom where you can read the information about the video. But it is a purple and green bottle. You can get this anywhere: Walmart, Walgreens, Target, whatever. So any leave-in conditioner or basically water-based product that you can spray in your hair will work. And I'm also using Infusion olive oil moisturizing hair lotion. This is not my favorite, it just is going to serve a purpose today. And the purpose is being a moisturizing hair lotion. So any hair lotion will work, or curl cream, whatever. It will work. You guys don't have to use the same products that I use on this, because I have used a number of similar products, one moisturizing and one water based, and it works fine every time. So I have 2 more sections to go, and I'm going to start by spraying down my section. Don't make it too wet, you just want it to be damp. And it looks like I'm spraying a lot on my hair, but it is very hot here and my hair is thirsty. So my hair is probably going to be dry, almost dry by the time I finish brushing it out. So this is a good leave-in conditioner, though. I would recommend it to you guys. So if you want, go check it out. Yeah, see, my hair's pretty much dry now. So it's all brushed out, nice and smooth. And I'm going to apply maybe a dime-sized amount, about a dime-sized amount of the product to my hand. That's a little more than a dime, but again, my hair is thirsty. And focus on the ends. Make sure, if anything, that the ends get some moisturized, basically, because that's the part that's going to be curling. That's where the curl is most important on this style. So I cannot cornrow to save my life, as I believe I have once told you all. So I'm just gonna fake cornrow. Basically, I'm just taking like the top little section of my hair, braiding, starting the braid, and then including, the rest of the hair into the braid. And you can watch me while I talk. But if you know how to cornrow, then by all means cornrow. But I am, on purpose, I'm not parting my hair, because naturally curly hair curls are not uniform. And if you do part your hair into even sections with this look, you're going to get curls that are uniform. And personally, I think natural curls look better than uniform curls any day. So it's gonna give you a naturally curly look. And sometimes my hair likes to, tangle and bunch up strand by strand when I am braiding it, so I'm kind of trying to separate it and make sure it's staying smooth while I'm braiding it. So I don't braid all the way down. See how much I have left on it? About just the last maybe fifth of the hair length I leave. loose. So it's starting to dry. Spray a little bit more on. And then you take your paper bag strip. Now what you want to do is take about a medium-sized paper bag, tear off the bottom while it's folded. Tear off the bottom rectangle and then tear it into strips about 1.5 to 2 inches wide. Again, you don't want your strips to be perfect. So, and then you take it and wrap your hair around. And keep wrapping it up. Today I'm going to do, a lot of times I go all the way up when I wrap it, but today I'm going to do about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way up. If you have shorter hair, then you can, just curl the end. You can just roll the end with the paper bag. If you have medium hair, then if you want to have a long look rather than a more curly look, then just go about halfway up. And if you have long hair, then you can do any of the three. Go all the way up, go halfway up, go 2/3 to 3/4 of the way up. So this is the last section, spraying it down, spraying my brush. And YouTube told me that I get 15 minutes. I get to record 15 minutes of video, but I don't know, it's been cutting me off around 8. So if it cuts me off, then that's what happened. So I'll just, post up another video complaining about that if that's what happened, and then show you guys the finished product. So I brushed it out. Let me speed up just a little bit. Dime-sized amount. Focus on the ends, but do get the rest of your hair too. Brush it through. And then the top is always the hardest part for me to do, so I like to do it last for that reason. And again, fake cornrowing. So, almost done. And this is another easy no heat hairstyle. Really good for the summer if you're going to be sweaty, or it's also good if you're like going out to the club or something, or a place that you're going to be sweating, because I wouldn't say the gym, but because the curls will, if they fall a little bit, it'll still look good, so in those cases I would just use a little bit hairspray, or you can in addition to the moisturizing lotion and leave-in conditioner, you can add a little bit mousse in there. That'll give you some hold too before you braid it. So if you're gonna go to a place where you feel like, if it's humid or you feel like your hair is gonna fall, then utilize one of those methods. Okay, and this is my last one. Rolling it up, wrap it around. I think this one I'm going to roll all the way up, just because it's going to be at the top, so that'll give it, that'll emphasize the layers a little more and give it a little more volume at the crown, which is always great. And I'm just tying the paper bag and then wrapping and twisting it at the end to keep it in place. So I'm gonna sleep on this, and in the morning I will post the results. So stay tuned. Deuces.